What's up, party people? It's been a while, but I'm back. I gotta eat, right? So I decided I look kind of decent. I even put on a necklace today. Like what? It's Thursday. I'm not making a frittata. I'm making some grilled veggies and like a meat pizza, cauliflower crust. I'll be back in a second. Okay, I've got the oven on, preheating. Got some veggies here. I'm gonna chop and make my pizza. It's the cauliflower crust with some meat. I got some pepperoni and some cheese. I'll get some other ingredients and be back in a sec. All right, so I got some feedback that it took too long for me to do my chopping last time I did some, so I am now showing you the finished product. I chopped some peppers and onions into like nice strips. I also chopped up some Brussels sprouts. I'm just gonna add a little spice like salt, pepper, cracked red pepper, and olive oil to the situation. And then pop it in the oven. My oven is preheating right now at 415. I don't want the smoke alarms to go off, so I don't usually go to 450. Gotta, keep my neighbors in check, right? I'm gonna try some garlic powder. Maybe some crushed red, and then that's gonna be it, right? For the veggies. Now these will probably take, I'll check on them after 20 minutes. They'll probably take 40. That's my usual MO. All right. Bobby Brown in the house. All right, I almost forgot. I'm making pizza too. So this is my sauce. Just gonna get started. All right, so I forgot to mention, you can take the girl out of New York, but you can never take the New York out of the girl. I just opened this. It smells like a New York pizzeria in my apartment now. It is incredible. You can find this in your supermarket. I highly recommend it. I got this at ShopRite. It's Rayo's, 114th and Pleasant. My hood. All right, so now I'm gonna get back to my pizza making. All right, so it might be considered controversial, but I'm actually using deli sliced pepperoni, and I just chop it up in my own little way. The other thing I do that might be a little weird for people is I put the cheese on first and then the pepperoni because I like super crispy pepperoni. All right, here we go. I'm gonna zoom in. I just drizzled the top with some pesto. And, you know, the pizza looks pretty good. Time to put it in the oven, and then I usually cook it for like 16 minutes. I'll be back. So I find it easier to clean up as you go with cooking. So as you can see, I already like tidied everything up, washed down any place I had pepper seeds and Brussels sprout leftovers. Already just loaded the dishwasher. And now I have my new board ready, out and ready for the pizza. My timer is set. Here's my handy pizza cutter. And now it's just a matter of time, so check back. Actually, that's a pretty good musical interlude, huh? It just works out. I haven't really had any questions from any of my fans about where I've been, but I've been busy. You know, business continues to be good. I haven't yet gotten any sponsorships either for my cooking show, but I am optimistic. So yeah, look forward to hearing your comments. I forgot to tell you, I actually have this copper penny thing. It's called a copper something for barbecue, and I put it under my pizzas. It kind of is incredible. So I'll show you the box in a second. tricky to take stuff out of the oven though. So it's hot and it's flexible. So you probably, I don't even know if I'm using it the right way, but this is how I do it. I take it out, and then I go like this. My pizza looks amazing. All right, so I let it cool for a couple minutes, just out like this, so it all just gets together, this deliciousness. And then I'm gonna slice it and I'll be back. Clean hands, ready to slice into this baby. Oh, nice. Oh, Janet Jackson. Oh. So I never met Janet, but I have met LaToya, and I did go to the concert on 9/10/01 that Michael Jackson was performing at Madison Square Garden. All right, this is the after. So I had 2 slices, delicious. I'm gonna save the rest for like dinner, lunch another day. And I have 10 more minutes on my timer for the veggies, but let's see. Yeah, so I like, whoa, that was a little. So I put stuff on the top shelf so it gets hotter. It's actually getting a little crisp, so maybe, I think 10 minutes might be good. 1 minute, 24 seconds. I'm gonna actually take this out because I feel like it's like ready here. What do you think? Oh yeah, it's looking good, right? Nicely crisp. Yeah, that's good. Beautiful, beautiful. Right? So, there it is. Bon appetit. Like, I got 3 meals, maybe 4 in 1 hour cooking show. What do you think? Tell me. I want feedback. Till next time. Bye.